Yo estuve experimentando los primeros síntomas.
My first symptoms were feeling very fatigued, body aches, and the very first symptom was feeling short of breath.
Y después yo pensé que
I
iba a
really
pasar
thought I was gonna
poco
spend
tiempo.
a little
Cuando
time
yo
here,
llegué,
maybe a couple
pensé
weeks.
que iba a pasar.
Margarita Garcia is one of our special patients that we've been able to take care of during this COVID pandemic. And she's been here with us for about 8 months. And she came with severe lung disease and acute respiratory distress syndrome after having severe COVID. And we're able to support her lungs through an 8-month period on ECMO support.
The machine that Margarita was on it's kind of like a heart-lung machine that you would have if they were doing surgery on your heart in the OR. It's similar to that. The reason she was on it was her lungs weren't working because of the COVID. It basically works as her lungs. It oxygenates the blood and takes off CO2 and then puts the blood back into it. Some people are on it for a month, some people a few weeks, and some people as long as her a longer run than most.
She had some bumps in the road, but she's a fighter, and so she was able to get through.
All the doctors who took care of me were very nice and very helpful. The nurses were excellent. They were there to help me in anything that I needed. Every single member of the team in this unit was very kind and nice to me. Kevin was a very good therapist. He would help me in my walk, especially when I was starting to take those steps. The most challenging thing was getting disconnected from the ECMO machine. They didn't know what would happen to me after getting disconnected from the machine. Every person is different, and they didn't know what to expect. My family were the main motivation to continue, and I wanted to live for them.
So a day like this is a celebration for life and for her, as well as the teamwork that we're all putting together so we can see these fantastic outcomes.
I get to see patients start off where she started off as she was and progress and help them progress and reach their potential to the point where now I get to see her go home. I mean, that is extremely fulfilling.
I'm alive, and I was able to come back.